Revision number 1, chapter number 6, Riya Namash Biya. Today we are going to revise expression negative. As we do simple negation just by putting na before the verb and pa after the verb. But here today we are going to revise some of the negative expression which changes, okay, which is exceptional. Let us learn. Earlier we just read na, then verb and then pa. This way we do the negation. But now we are just going to learn more negations. First one is quelque chose. That means quelque chose means something and ne rien means nothing. Now example. Tu as quelque chose dans ton sac. You have something in your bag. So what will be the negation? No, je n'ai pas rien. Je n'ai rien, pas नहीं आएगा. Okay, so je n'ai rien dans mon sac. Now you can see here, this is the question, which is in tu form. The answer will be in je. No, je n'ai. Tu as, je ai. Je n'ai rien dans ma sac. I have nothing in my bag. Now the second is quelqu'un or quelqu'un. The negation is no person. Quelqu'un means somebody and no person means nobody. Il a quelqu'un dans la chambre. Is there somebody in the room? So answer will be no. Il n'y a personne. Now here an apostrophe is there because y is the vowel. So we are going to place apostrophe here. Il n'y a personne dans la chambre. There is nobody in the room. Third one is encore. Encore, the negation will be ne plus. Still not yet. Vous faites encore les ménages. You are still doing the household work. Answer will be no. You can answer this in je also and you can answer this in nous also. No, je ne fais plus les ménages. I am not yet doing the household work. Next is Deja, and negation is pas encore. This is already, and this means not yet. Now see the example. Tu as déjà fini tes devoirs? Have you already finished your homework? Je n'ai pas encore fini, and tes devoirs will be changed to mes devoirs because here the subject is je. I have not finished my homework yet. Next is fifth one is toujours, and the negation is jamais. Always. Next is never. Je toujours fais mes devoirs à l'heure. I always do my work on time. Je ne fais jamais mes devoirs à l'heure. I never do my work on time. Always, never. Next is quelque part. The negation is nulle part. Quelque part means somewhere, and nulle part means nowhere. Est-ce que tu vas quelque part hier? Are you going somewhere? It will be demain. Est-ce que tu vas quelque part demain? Are you going somewhere tomorrow? No will also be there in each and every case, okay? Because we are doing negation. No, je ne vais nulle part demain. I'm going nowhere tomorrow. Okay, please write down these three. Last is left. If we are talking about two or more things in a single sentence, suppose I'm asking you that are you wearing a dress or are you going to wear a suit? So here is the choice between two things. And else if you are saying that will you drink tea or coffee, that is an option. Okay, it is it's a choice. So how we are going to do the negation for that, let us learn. Le, la will change to na, ni, ni. And same du, the, la, etc. will be changed to na, ni, and ni. This means some, and this means neither and nor. Neither nor. The example is est-ce que tu bois le café ou le thé? Will you drink coffee or tea? Answer will be no. Je ne bois ni le café ni le thé. Neither coffee nor tea. Okay, but if the article du is there, okay, let me give you one example. Est-ce que tu manges du poisson ou de la viande? Est-ce que tu manges du poisson ou de la viande? Will you eat chicken or meat? So the answer will be no. Je n'y mange ni poisson ni viande. Now, what is the difference? You can see here the article défini is placed. Le and la we are going to place in the answer, but if we are talking about article partitive, du and de la, these both articles will not be placed in the answer. It will be removed. So your answer will be no, je, ni mange, ni boisson, ni viande. So these are the two examples with article défini et partitive. Definite articles are always placed, but the partitive articles are removed from the answer once we are doing the negation. So these are your 7 negations, 7 exceptions, which we have to learn in chapter number 6, the negative expression.